Today I show you how to put back the earbuds on your headphones. These are Sony wireless headphones, Bluetooth headphones. They're not very complicated, but most headphones have this system where you have the ear cushion, the pads for the ears where they are detachable. You can even replace them if you want to, but if they get detached, this is how you put them back. So I'll show you right now. So first you have to look around here, around the headphones. There is this lip, this edge, and you also have on the ear pad itself, which might be a little bit damaged. You also have this kind of a lip there. Another tip, if this starts to flake off, if you let it flake off long enough, then this whole material falls and you don't need to replace the pads. It will be some kind of a soft textile material under. To put the ear pads back on your headphones, look at this lip right there, and also look at the lip on the ear pad itself. It's not very easy to attach it, and you might have to put a bit of pressure, but look here how the material from the headphone goes between these headphone parts here. So I hold it with one hand, and with the other hand I go around it. Yeah, so I have to make sure this goes beyond this lip right there. So now this looks good, and I hold it with my fingers there and I keep going around. You have to keep holding it so it doesn't lose the grip. Then you go around until you see that it's not so easy to fit this. So you have to put it harder. And I keep holding it. And you might have to redo this a few times because it might not work the first time. The last part is a bit difficult to insert. So yeah, I think I might have to do it again, or maybe no. We'll see. And now the edge is a bit stretched. I have to really pull this a bit harder, but eventually it goes there. Also, if you're not holding it from the other edge, it will come out. So you just go around it and it keeps coming out. So what I do, I start from the other side again. And I just bring this edge on top right there. It might even work if you simply bring this edge over the headphones, so you don't have to worry about bringing it inside that lip. Just to bring it over, and then it will find its way, it will guide itself. So I think now it's okay. You see, this one is it's outside, and I just have to lift it and let it fall into this kind of a channel. It's a channel for it. Then you can move it around, shake it around a little bit. Make sure that the material goes in this edge here, like that. So you check that there are no edges that are a bit strange, and if they are a bit strange, you can readjust the material. And now these headphones, they are both okay, ready to use with the ear pads. They are both ready to use with the ear pads inserted all around. Make sure this material goes all around there. That's all. Thanks for watching.